Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Anne Arut channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see World Refugee Day, June 20th. For more information, we shall move to inside the video. I kindly request to all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. World Refugee Day, June 20th. Some important facts you need to know about refugees. World Refugee Day. Two-thirds of the global refugees comes from only 5 countries: Syria, Venezuela, Afghanistan, South Sudan, and Myanmar. World Refugee Day is observed on June 20th to respect and honor the courageousness and resilience of refugees across the globe. The United Nations designated the day to celebrate the strength and courage of people forced to flee their homes and countries to escape conflict or persecution. World Refugee Day is also a day to build empathy and understanding of their plight and to recognize their efforts in rebuilding their lives. The day recognizes the rights, needs, and dreams of refugees. Here some facts about refugees you need to know this World Refugee Day. Number 1. Who is a refugee? A person forced to flee his or her country following persecution, war, or violence is a refugee. According to the United Nations, people who fled their homes and countries due to a well founded fear of persecution because of his, her race, religion, nationality, membership of a particular social group or political opinion is a refugee. Number 2. What's the number of refugees worldwide? At the end of 2020, a mammoth 82.4 million remained forcibly displaced worldwide due to persecution, conflict, violence, or human rights violations. According to the UN, the COVID 19 pandemic slowed the rate of displacement and thus the number of people seeking asylum remains high. In 2020 alone, asylum seekers submitted 1.1 million new claims, the UN said. Third factor, a refugee camp. More than 6 million refugees live in camps worldwide as per the United Nations records. These camps are temporary facilities offering immediate protection and assistance to people forced to flee their homes due to war, persecution, or violence. The camps are not a permanent solution, but they give shelter to refugees and help them meet their basic needs such as food, water, shelter, medical treatment, and other basic services in times of emergencies. Fourth one, which country hosts the largest number of refugees? Turkey currently hosts 3.6 million refugees, the largest by a single country, followed by Colombia that shelters 1.8 million people, including people who fled Venezuela in the last few years, according to the latest United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees UNHCR report on forced displacement. Fifth facts, countries most refugees came from. Over two-thirds of the refugees worldwide come from. For just 5 countries, the UNHCR report added: Syria 6.6 million, Venezuela 3.7 million, Afghanistan 2.7 million, South Sudan 2.3 million, and Myanmar 1 million. 2021 World Refugee Day theme: Together we heal, learn, and shine. No one is safe till everyone is safe is the tagline or slogan for fighting the pandemic. This year's World Refugee Day theme: Together we heal, learn, and shine aims at people belonging to all faiths all over the world working together to welcome stateless persons, displaced people, refugees, and others who have been forced to flee their homes. Whether it is education, arts, music, or sports, doing activities together helps boost the confidence of vulnerable people. According to the UN Refugee Agency, doing things together also helps people learn new skills. Hello viewers, from this video you know World Refugee Day, some important facts you needed to know about refugees. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I kindly request to you to subscribe this Aravinder and Harold channel. Thank you for watching this video in full. Once again, thank you very much.